Okay, so how to integrate QuickBooks with Monday.com. This video should be really short, so I'll just jump right into this video. And if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So if you head over here on Monday.com, we go to integrations. I'm gonna go here on this campaign central, click on integrate, and then here in when you search for integration quick, so here we have the integrations and we can explore the market. And then here if you write QuickBooks, you're gonna see a few options here, and if that's not what we want, say you don't want to use this one, you can also use Zapier, and then here you can create an automation. That's another option, another workaround for this. So here you just need to select QuickBooks, so apps, and then here you can change, and then here you can write quick. So you just need to go here, write QuickBooks, and here you have a couple of options. I'll go with online. Some apps you're gonna have to pay, and then here you have action. Then here you can select the action that you want, but first make sure you connect your QuickBooks account. You can test, and then here you can add an action. Or another thing that you can do here is you add first. Let's change this. So we're gonna add here first Monday.com, and then here you can add select an event. Then in here you can add an action to QuickBooks, and then here you can click on this plus and another step. It's the same, it's kind of like the same, but Zapier is more powerful. Like you have automation on Monday.com. So here we also have a Monday.com. We have, I don't know, it's not showing. We have on Monday.com, we have automation. You can create automations on Zapier, but as I said, it's more powerful because Zapier is what it is actually Zapier. And now about Zapier is what it is. Maybe you don't know what it is and what it does, but probably already know because I showed you what it does. But it's just a web-based automation platform where you can create, you can automate workflows. You can create a workflow, let's say with Monday.com in our example, and maybe Asana, or maybe with in our example with QuickBooks, you know, like it's just automations. You can integrate so many diverse applications and services, enabling pretty much to create automated workflows. And that's what you can do with Zapier. And in this case that you maybe don't want to, you may not want to use Monday.com, their integrations from here. In this case, that's something you can do if you don't want to search for here quick. You don't want to search here, which, as I said, already said that there is some options, but I think you gotta pay. You can install the app here. You just need to install now. Click on install. Select your workflow and the board, and you can add this app. But maybe you don't want in this way, you know. Select the time here. You have all the options and of course the settings. Yeah, it's just up to you. Depends now on what you want. But if it's not the way you do it here, the way you can integrate, the way you integrate the QuickBooks here, that if it's not the way you want it, you can of course create here an automation. You just need to add your account, your trigger, and then test and connect it to QuickBooks. Yeah, just really depends now what you want to do. But I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.